it's your girl here. Today I'm creating a bento inspired by Jumin, which is why I'm putting on this kitty cat apron. So let's get into it. First thing I'm gonna do is wash my rice. So I'm actually pretty impressed with this rice cooker. It like went to warm as soon as my alarm went off, and oh, that looks good. Anyway, let's season my rice. I don't have a very big bowl, so I'm just going to do this. I'm gonna use this. Playing a dangerous game, just some sugar. And I read somewhere salt too. Holy crap, that's good rice. Get yourself a rice cooker. It's so good. The rice is so fluffy. Holy crap, I'm so proud of this rice. Next for Jumin's bento, I'm going to bake some asparagus. Toss this bullshit away. Next I'm gonna do mushrooms. And I basically just do the basics, which is oil, salt and pepper, alright. I kind of overcook the mushrooms quite a bit. I sliced up some leftover steak from last night. Next, because Jumin has a grape farm and a cherry farm, I'm going to put these in my bento. First, I'm going to wash them off, as you always should. Wash your fruits, you barbarians. Bugs poop on that. Oh my God, so full. And for the finishing touch, the candy that captures the true essence of Jumin, Sugar Daddy. And to go with this glorious meal, I'm gonna have some red wine. However, if you're underage, tea for you. So, here's my finished product. I know it looks very extravagant for like one meal. However, this will probably be my only meal on Sunday when I get off of a 24-hour shift. It's so pretty. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked my video, leave a like, maybe a comment, maybe subscribe, share to your friends, and tell me what I should do next. I'd love to hear from you. With that being said, catch you on the flip side. Bye!